So let's look at the benefit of using ChatGPT, Google Bard, and any other AI tool. So it saves you time. So one of the things this AI does is that it saves you time, it saves you energy, it saves you money, and it earns you money. Let me explain. Now, if, for example, you're a copywriter and at your level, it takes you 3 days to actually write a copy, okay? With this AI tool, it can take you just 1 day. How? In less than 30 minutes, you will get a sales copy, okay, or any copy that you want. All right, and because the AI has done the thinking for you, all you need to do is to edit it and do some little changes in the sentences if you want, and there you go, you have your copy. Okay, if you're into blogging, all right, and it takes you 2-3 days to get a quality blog post for your blog, it can take you just 1 day or even 30 minutes of dedicated time using AI, and you will get a quality blog post out there. All right, so it saves you energy. The energy you will use to do certain things over 1 week, you will do it in 1 day or less than 1 day. All right, it saves you money. Okay, as a business owner, the money you will pay freelancers or skilled professionals to do certain tasks for you, you can save that money and then use AI tools to get the same result done. Yes, you get the same result done. All right, then it earns you money too. Yes, despite the fact that AI can save you money, but you still see hundreds of thousands of people who will not use AI. So you that have embraced AI, you can as well use it to make money by understanding how these AI tools operate, how to use them. And as a freelancer or a skilled professional, you can incorporate these AI tools to your business, to your services, okay? And you use it to get better results, quality results for your client, okay? So you can use these AI tools to make money by studying them, knowing how they operate, because there are different AI tools for different functions. So by the time you know how to use them, the problems they solve, then you go out there, look for clients who have this problem, charge them, and you use this AI to get the solution for them. All right, so these are some of the benefits of using AI tools: Chat GPT, Google Bard, and any other related AI tool.